Morning. Today is 5/4, and let's continue. We're going to call this part 2 of the exam review. And before we get started, number 1, seniors, I need your books back. Make sure you put them on that cart. I'm going to check them in today. If you don't have it, bring it first thing in the morning. All right, so here we go. Number 1, income tax. Income tax is paid on wages, how much you make, and tips. But it's also paid on the interest you make from a bank. It's also paid on rental property income. If you win a certain amount at the casino or somewhere else. So you pay interest on other things. Okay, let's go on. All right, so natural gas, number 2, is $14.50 per 1,000 cubic feet, which is what that means. The price increased 20% this year. Okay, this was last year. So, the new price is how much? Well, what you want to do is take $14.50, which is what it was last year, times 0.2, because you want to move your decimal over 2 places. And then you're going to add that back. So your increase, when you take your calculator here, so $14.50 times 0.2. When I do that, I get $2.90 plus the $14.50. So the new price should be $17.40. Okay, let's go on. Next one. Okay, so you have stock that closed at $15.89. That is a 43-cent decrease. The arrow's pointing down from the closing price the day before. So this was now, and yesterday it was higher. It was 43 cents higher. So if you add $15.89 plus 0.43, I get $16.32. So yesterday it was 16.32. 43% high, or 43 cents higher. Now the formula is difference divided by original. So you want to take the difference here, which is 0.43. It went down, and the original is the beginning price, 16.32. So let's see what that is. 0.43 divided by 16.32, and that gives me 2.6% decrease. Remember, it's the original. Difference divided by the beginning price. I'm going to make this a little smaller. Okay? All right, let's keep moving. Royalty is a percentage paid on the money earned from the sale of items such as tickets, books, arts, music, CDs. Royalty. Is that true or false? It is a percentage paid for tickets, books, etc. You're going to have to look that one up. That's true or false. So just Google royalty. Put a star by that. I'm going to let you look that one up. All right, number 5. Jim was offered a job making $65,000 a year. Another company offered Jim a position earning $1,200 a week. The job with the $65,000 pays more, true or false? Well, there's 52 weeks in a year, so you got to multiply 1,200 times 52. And this job is only going to pay $62,400. So he's better off taking that job, unless he's happier at the other one. All right, number 6. All right, Schedule 1 form on your 1040 taxes. If you have income from winning a prize, do you have to fill out the Schedule 1, true or false? Again, I'm going to let you look that one up. So look it up online. What is a Schedule 1 form on your 1040 taxes? Okay, so on that one right there, just so you know, that one is true. A Schedule 1 is what you have to fill out if you win money or whatever. Even at bingo, they have to report it if it's so much, I'm sure. All right, let's keep moving. All right, so the next one is a tax deduction is an allowable amount that reduces a person's taxable income. And a tax credit is an allowable amount that reduces a person's income. So tax deduction and tax credit both lower your taxable amount. So those are good things. You want to lower your taxable amount because that's less taxes you pay. All right, so this person is buying some stock and they put a limit order on a purchase. And what that means is there's a certain price that they'll pay. If the stock does not fall to that price, so let's say the stock right now is $40 a share, and you put in a purchase order for $35 a share. If this stock never falls to that $35 that you have a limit on, you're not going to make that purchase. All right, let's go on. number 9. A security deposit is used by the landlord to provide protection for the tenants. So, what is a security deposit? Is it there to protect the renters? Or is it there to protect the owner's property if you damage it? So this is not for the renters. It's for the landlord to cover any damage. Okay? All right, let's keep moving. We're going to do one more. A single person with a taxable income pays the same as the taxable income of a head of household. So if you're single, and let's say you make $50,000 a year, and if you're head of household, that means you have kids. Do they pay the same taxes? And the answer is no. This one's going to pay more because they don't have any deductions. This one's going to pay less, so they don't pay the same amount. This one can deduct, kids are like $2,500 each, is what I remember it to be. Okay, so we're going to stop there, and this is part 2. And again, and this goes for everyone, but especially seniors, I need those books back. If you're on the computer as owing for a book, they're not going to let you get your diploma until you fulfill your obligations. All right, have a good morning.